Welcome back to Believe in Yourself. What if one prayer could change your relationship with money forever? Take a deep breath, open your heart. Let's begin. Close your eyes, breathe in abundance, and gently breathe out every fear you have ever carried about money. Today, you are not asking the universe for abundance. You are remembering that abundance has always lived within you. Allow every prayer to soften your heart, clear your mind, and awaken the prosper version of yourself. I am sorry for believing money was difficult to receive. Please forget the fears that separated me from abundance. Thank you for reminding me that prosperity is my natural state. I love welcoming wealth with an open heart. I am sorry for every moment I choose fear over faith. Please forgive my attachment to scarcity. Thank you for showing me new possibilities. I love trusting the flow of divine abundance. I am sorry for doubting my financial future. Please forgive every limiting belief I accepted. Thank you for expanding my vision. I love believing in unlimited opportunities. I am sorry for forgetting my true value. Please forgive every moment I underestimated myself. Thank you for reminding me that my worth is infinite. I love honoring my gifts. I am sorry for resisting prosperity. Please forgive my unconscious fear of success. Thank you for making abundance feel safe. I love receiving financial blessings with gratitude. I am sorry for worrying about money. Please forgive every anxious thought. Thank you for providing everything I truly needed. I love living in peace and trust. I am sorry for believing there was never enough. Please forgive my scarcity mindset. Thank you for revealing life's endless supply. I love living in overflow. I am sorry for speaking negatively about money. Please forgive every fearful word I have spoken. Thank you for helping me bless every financial experience. I love creating a healthy relationship with money. I am sorry for believing I had to struggle. Please forgive my attachment to hardship. Thank you for showing me that wealth can arrive with ease. I love allowing prosperity to flow effortlessly. I am sorry for rejecting opportunities because of fear. Please forgive my hesitation to receive. Thank you for opening doors I never imagined. I love saying yes to abundance. I am sorry for believing my income determines my worth. Please forgive the identity I built around limitation. Thank you for revealing the wealth that already lives within me. I love becoming the person abundance naturally finds. I am sorry for carrying guilt whenever I receive more than I expected. Please forgive the part of me that felt undeserving. Thank you for making receiving feel peaceful. I love accepting blessings with gratitude. I am sorry for postponing my dreams because of fear. Please forgive every excuse rooted in self doubt. Thank you for giving me the courage to begin. I love taking inspired action every day. I am sorry for expecting disappointment. Please forgive the habit of preparing for lack. Thank you for teaching me to expect miracles. I love waking up with hope. I am sorry for forgetting that every seed grows in its perfect season. Please forgive my impatience with divine timing. Thank you for every unseen blessing always on its way. I love trusting the journey. I am sorry for allowing fear to speak louder than faith. Please forgive the stories that kept me small. Thank you for replacing fear with certainty. I love thinking like an abundant soul. I am sorry for believing success belonged to someone else. Please forgive the illusion that I wasn't capable. Thank you for showing me new possibilities every day. I love expanding beyond every limitation. I'm sorry for focusing on what I didn't have. Please forgive my attention to lack. Thank you for opening my eyes to life's abundance. I love celebrating every blessing in my life. I am sorry for believing money had power over my happiness. Please forgive my emotional dependence on circumstances. Thank you for reminding me that peace comes from within. I love attracting wealth from a place of inner peace. I am sorry for forgetting that I am supported by divine love. Please forgive my need to control every outcome. Thank you for guiding me toward perfect opportunities. I love surrendering with complete trust. I am sorry for forgetting that abundance is my birthright. Please forgive every belief that told me otherwise. Thank you for helping me remember who I truly am. I love living as an expression of abundance. I am sorry for letting fear make my financial decisions. Please forgive every choice made me survival. Thank you for teaching me to choose from faith. I love making decisions that honor my future. I am sorry for resisting unexpected blessings. Please forgive the part of me that questioned good fortune. Thank you for making miracle feel natural. I love receiving with joy and gratitude. I'm sorry for believing I needed permission to become wealthy. Please forgive every invisible ceiling I placed above myself. Thank you for showing me there are no limits to divine abundance. I am expanding beyond everything I once believed possible. I am sorry for forgetting to celebrate how far I have come. Please forgive the moment I overlook my own growth. Thank you for every lesson that strengthened me. I love appreciating my beautiful journey. I am sorry for holding on to financial disappointments. Please forgive every painful memory connected to money. Thank you for transforming every wound into wisdom. I love creating a joyful relationship with wealth. I am sorry for believing I had to prove my worth. Please forgive every moment I sought validation. Thank you for reminding me that I am already enough. I love standing confidently in my value. I am sorry for closing my heart when life became difficult. Please forgive my moments of hopelessness. Thank you for filling my heart with rewarded faith. I love expecting beautiful financial surprises. I am sorry for every unconscious pattern that blocked abundance. Please forgive every hidden fear around prosperity. Thank you for clearing my heart, mind, and spirit. I love being a powerful magnet for wealth, peace, and limitless abundance. Take one final deep breath in, hold it gently, and slowly let it go. Feel your body relax. Feel your body relax. Feel your heart open. Feel your mind becoming still. Knows that every prayer you spoke today has planted a new seed of abundance within your subconscious. You are no longer living from fear. You are living from faith. You are no longer chasing money. You are becoming the person who naturally attracts it. Carry this feeling with you today. Walk with confidence, receive with gratitude. Trust that universe is already working in your favor. Thank you for praying with me today. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Until tomorrow, keep believing in yourself.